Hello, today we are going to learn how to draw the inscribed circle of a given triangle by locating the incenter point. The incenter point is one of the four notable points of a triangle. The incenter is the center point of a circle which is inscribed in the triangle. It is located at the intersection point of the angular bisectors of each of the three angles of the triangle. So now, to locate this point, we are going to work out the angular bisectors of angles A, B, and C of the given triangle. So first of all, setting our compass to a certain radius, we set it on angle B and we scribe an arc until it cuts the line segments BC and BA as shown here. And now with the same radius, we set our compass on the previous intersection point, and we scribe another arc, as can be seen here. And now setting the compass on the other intersection point, we scribe another arc to intersect our previously drawn arc. So now to complete our angular bisector, we draw a line from vertex B through this intersection point and we elongate the line, as can be seen here. This is the angular bisector of the angle B. We are now going to repeat this process with angles C and angles A. So now again with the same radius as before, setting our compass on angle C, we scribe an arc until it cuts the other two sides of the triangle as shown. And with the same radius, setting our compass on the intersection, we scribe an arc to the left. And now setting the compass on the other intersection point, we scribe another arc to intersect our previously scribed arc. And again, we join vertex C through this intersection point and elongate the line until it cuts our previous angular bisector of B. Okay, where these lines cross is going to be the incenter point. Okay, but just to make sure that we're working with accuracy and precision, we're going to work out the angular bisector of A also, and it should cut through the same point as before. So again, using the same radius and setting our compass on vertex A, we scribe an arc till it cuts both sides of the triangle as shown here. And again, setting our compass on this intersection point, we scribe an arc below. And now setting our compass on the other side, we scribe another arc till it cuts our previously drawn arc. And finally, we draw the angular bisector from vertex A through this intersection. And as you can see, it cuts exactly through the previous intersections at this point, which is the incenter point. Okay, which we will name IC, the incenter point. So now that we have the incenter point IC, we are going to locate the tangent point on the base BC of the triangle. To do this, we are going to draw a perpendicular line from IC to the base BC. Where it cuts the base BC, this is going to be the tangent point T, as shown here. So finally, setting our compass on point IC and with radius length ICT, we are going to draw the inscribed circle of the triangle, as you can see here. So here you have the incenter and the inscribed circle of the given triangle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please press like or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Until the next time.